Welcome to Endeavor's AI-generated podcast. This is a fun recap of this month's newsletter with our AI assistants, Tina and Mike. Well, I hope you enjoy.
All right, everybody, welcome back. I'm so excited for this deep dive.
Yeah, this should be fun.
Yeah, so we're going to be looking at a recent CRM Insights newsletter.
Oh, yeah, I saw that one.
Yeah, and it's got some really cool stuff about how AI is changing customer relationship management.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, everybody knows AI is the thing these days.
Seriously. And especially with CRM, it can do so much to just make everything smoother and easier.
Absolutely. It's like having a whole extra team working for you, but it's AI.
Exactly. And this newsletter really dives into the specifics of what Microsoft is doing, which is super interesting.
Oh, yeah, Microsoft is right at the forefront of this stuff.
Totally. And one of the things that really stood out to me was this thing called Microsoft Copilot Studio Agents. Have you heard of this?
Yeah, I've been playing around with it a little bit. It's pretty amazing.
So for people who haven't, what is it in a nutshell?
So basically imagine you have an AI assistant right in your Dynamics 365 CRM.
Uh-huh.
And it can access all of your data, all of it.
Wow. And then it can use that data to answer questions, automate tasks, even create those virtual agents.
Oh, wow. So it's it's not just a generic AI. It's specific to your business.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah. And that's what makes it so powerful, because it's having an AI that understands your company inside and out.
That's incredible. And the newsletter talks about this thing called intelligent fallbacks. Can you explain that a little?
Yeah. So basically with traditional virtual agents, if a customer asks a question that's not in the script,
right,
it just hits a dead end.
Uh-huh.
But with Copilot, it can actually use generative AI to go out and find the answer.
So it's it can search your knowledge base or even the internet.
Yeah. So it can look at things like SharePoint, OneDrive, custom data sets, anything you have connected.
So it's it's constantly learning and expanding its knowledge.
Exactly. And that's what makes it so much more helpful for customers, because they're more likely to get the answer they need.
And I was also really blown away by the fact that it can help create new virtual agents and topics automatically. Oh, yeah, that's a game changer.
Right, because before you'd need a whole team of programmers to do that.
Yeah, it could take weeks or even months.
But now with Copilot, it's instant.
Pretty much. Yeah, it's all about speed and agility these days.
Totally. And the newsletter gave this really cool example about how Copilot can be used for financial advice.
Oh, yeah, that one was interesting.
So imagine you're a financial advisor using Dynamics 365.
Right.
Copilot can actually analyze your client's transaction history.
Uh-huh.
Compare it to real-time market data.
And then generate personalized investment recommendations.
That's amazing. So it's having a whole team of analysts at your fingertips.
Exactly. And it can all happen right within the CRM system, so it's super seamless.
I love that. And of course, we can't forget about automating those tedious business processes.
Oh, yeah, the stuff nobody wants to do.
Uh-huh. Exactly. Onboarding new employees, processing expense reports, managing benefits.
All that stuff can be automated with Copilot.
And that frees up so much time for employees to focus on more creative and strategic work.
Exactly. And it can also help reduce errors because you're taking the human element out of those repetitive tasks.
Right. And it's not just about individual tasks. It can streamline whole workflows.
Absolutely. It can make everything from sales to marketing to customer service so much more efficient.
And one thing I really appreciate is that you can customize content moderation.
Oh, yeah. That's important.
So you can make sure that the AI is always communicating in a way that's appropriate for your brand and your audience.
Exactly. You have full control over what the AI says and how it says it.
And speaking of exciting developments, we can't let this deep dive go by without mentioning what we're doing here at Endeavour Solutions.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. We have some big news.
So our new Microsoft Copilot consulting team.
That's right.
Is putting together this amazing set of Copilot training sessions and proof of concept workshops.
Specifically for Microsoft 365 Copilot, the full version.
Yes, and we've already done a few sessions.
The feedback has been fantastic. People are really seeing the potential of this technology.
Absolutely. So if you or your team are interested in exploring the possibilities of Copilot,
definitely reach out.
You can contact Scott Jorgens to schedule a call. Don't be shy. We'd love to chat with you.
Yeah, and it's just such an exciting time to be working with AI.
It really is we're just scratching the surface of what's possible.
And it's changing so fast. What we're talking about today might be completely different in a year.
It's true, but that's what makes it so fascinating, right?
Absolutely. I can't wait to see what the future holds.
Me too. And I think For anyone working in CRM or any business, really,
Yeah,
it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve.
definitely. You don't want to get left behind.
So yeah, if you're interested in learning more about Copilot or just AI in general,
Reach out to us.
we're here to help.
And until next time, keep on innovating.
That's right. We'll see you on the next deep dive.
Well, thanks for listening to our AI-generated podcast with Endeavour Solutions. If you have any further questions about the topic, feel free to contact the Endeavour support desk. Well, we'll see you next month with another edition of the Newsletter Recap.